how to disable pinch to zoom on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable pinch to zoom on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to the browser and here you will find these three lines in the bottom corner and click settings and then click web page view and scrolling and here just turn it off. uh, just by one click you can turn it off, and as you see pinch to zoom have been turned off. Now go back, it will be saved, and that's how to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.